One thing we noticed in the last part was that the echo made it kind of hard to see the green skin. See, now it's not as pronounced. So how do we fix that? First, I'm going to delete my old echo clip. Then I'm going to drag and select my two clips that have the green and the regular. I'm going to right click and say nest. If I double click on the nest, you can see that it took both of the clips from before and put them into a new sequence, the nested clip. Now I can copy the nested clip like I did before with the echo, change the opacity to 33, hold down Alt to nudge it over, but now the after images have the green skin color already applied. Another way to accomplish the same effect is to add Lumetri color to the echo layer itself. I'm going to change the opacity to 100 to make it easier to see. I'm going to go to Curves, select Green, and drag the control point to make the whole thing green. I'm going to add a mask to reduce the effect just to the area immediately around her. Add a little bit of feathering. The last stage is sound effects. As you can see on the left, I already have an extensive library of sounds. I'm going to select one and play it. Let's try this one. Yeah, I'm going to drag that in right about where she gets possessed. Move it over. Maybe reduce the sound gain a little bit. This looks like a good place to cut a cracking sound, so I'm going to go find one of my bone breaks. Drag it in. Center it. Adjust the gain. And you can add more sound effects, so maybe I'll add a squishy sound in here.